Good morning. Today we're going to be reading a News ELA article on the topic of endangered animals. So our focus question is, what are the causes of species becoming more at risk of endangerment or extinction? The do now question is, why are some animals endangered? List at least 2 reasons. You should try and recall our lesson from the day before about the brain pop video that you saw. You were given several reasons why animals are becoming endangered. So that's just kind of like a little clue for you to think about. The do now response will be recorded in Google Classroom. So there's a question that pops up that you need to answer it there. Some review for vocabulary for today's lesson. First word is endangered, which we spoke about yesterday. You will be reading about several animals that are endangered today. And the second word is extinct. We will be reading the causes of extinction. What is an informational text? So it could be several things. A subgenre of nonfiction writing. It should inform the reader about a specific topic. And it's written in a way that allows the reader to easily find information and understand the main topic. This kind of goes into the informational text features that we worked on a few weeks ago. So look out for any headings, subheadings, bold or italic vocabulary, sidebars, visuals, captions, maybe photographs, tables, diagrams. Any of these things could be provided to you in this nonfiction reading passage. Where are informational texts found? So they could be in periodicals like magazines, newspapers, scholarly journals, textbooks, instructional manuals, internet articles. So I would say that News ELA is an internet article, and these are all fact-based articles. So we could say that they're true. Informational text structures. So there are different structures that authors use when they write informational texts. Here's a list of them, and we will be going through most of them throughout this unit. Today, our main focus is going to be cause and effect. The News ELA article focuses on cause and effect. A cause is what makes something. Okay, so that's what cause means. And the effect is what happened. Here are some signal words to look out for when you're reading the passage to figure out causes and effects. So when you think of cause, you think, why did it happen? And when you think of effect, you think of what happened. So with the word cause, you would see because, since, as a result of, unless, for this reason. These are all signal words to figure out the cause of something happening and why it happened. If we're looking for the effect, we're looking at what happened, and we would see the signal words so, this led to, thus, consequently, therefore. So just keep these words in mind as you're reading the News ELA article today. So here's like a model, a visual model for you to see. As you could see in the picture, there's a lot of ice cream and sweet stuff, which was the cause. You ate too much ice cream and junk food pretty much, and that effect was you feel sick to your stomach. Here we have another tryout that we would have done together in class. The man broke his car, so he rode his bicycle to work. So we have over here a word, a signal word, so, right? Which goes back to the signal words. And you see, after the so, we have the effect. And before the so, we have the cause. The man broke his car, so he rode his bicycle to work. The man broke his car would be the cause. So he rode his bicycle to work is the effect. I also created a checklist, a cause and effect checklist for you as you are reading. So I want you to read the passage, find clue words to help identify cause or effect. Also ask yourself, which situation happened first and which situation happened last? The situations or events that occur first have identified the cause. The situations or events that result from the first situation or event are called the effects. For the work period, you're going to log back into Google Classroom, and I have assigned a News ELA article for you to read. Last week, I sent out a link for you to sign up for my News ELA class. So I hope you did that. And if you didn't, I will repost it so that everybody has the opportunity to log into my News ELA class. You're going to read the article independently. There are different lexile levels in the passage. You can choose the lexile level that you feel most comfortable reading. You're going to use the annotation tools in News ELA as you are reading to annotate the text. And then I want you to identify any causes or effects of animal endangerment. You will answer the multiple choice questions only. There is also a Spanish translated copy of this article for anyone that needs it. Just for you to see the article, it is this one. All right, is this article. And up here, you can change the lexile levels to what suits you best. And then as you could see here, we have a Spanish version as well. Then you will click on activities. And I want you to just do the quiz questions for today, which is 4 questions. All right, I'll go back now. Once you are done with the work period, I would like you to complete the exit ticket. That will also be posted in Google Classroom. It'll say exit ticket. And I want you to name an animal you read about. What was the cause of its endangerment? And if you have any questions throughout the work period, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm available on Google Classroom. You could email me through Pupil Path, and that's pretty much it. Let me know if you need any help.